the handlebars was slightly out of line. 2 bolts, one this side, an Allen key this side. Loosen, then holding the wheel straight, line up the handlebars, and then tighten back up, one on each, one at the top, one at the bottom. So that's if the handlebars on in a line. So with the handlebars, here you have different numbers. Loosen, I would imagine this one. I will try, and you can then move the handlebars up and down. So it looks, looks like this one. It's like 10 to 20. Yeah, it's going to be, I think it's going to be that one. So we'll give that a try. So I've loosened this. The handlebars will move. So when you're sat, always from the pedal, that's nice for me, that. Tighten, nip it, and then tighten properly. Get off. Only one bolt. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, with the wheel, this cable has to go into here, and you have to line up the arrows. Now we'll do that with 2 hands, not with one. I'm holding the camera. So that goes in there, and then you can clip the wire in there, which is good. Stops it loose. Line the arrows up, and then it says push firmly. Yeah, arrows lined up, pushed it firmly. This cable, push into there. That keeps it in place. Okay, now we're on to the front basket. We've got some Allen keys and washers. This first, then the basket. So this goes on here, and there's 4 bolts inside it. Lamp hanging down. Okay, let's have a look what size. The green one. Before I put the basket on, looking at the instructions, it says this is first. So this is going to go on first. That would be that way. So you've got the long bit down here. Lower it down, and then I need to know where that bolt is. With these, they are plastic, they're not metal. But if it stops dirt and mud, but long at the back, short at the front. This bag was in the box, the small box, and this is for the mudguard. So you have to find this, and then it's an Allen key again. Why we've got that big one there. So I'll figure that out, how to put that on there. A nut, a washer, another nut. So that must go through there. Lift it up into there. Why is that nut there? Ah, nut. It must be like a spacer. Bit tricky to get that in. Why? I don't know why it's got that nut there. Some kind of spacer. Get in. I'm gonna do. I saw a little tip on YouTube with somebody actually just put a little bit of plastic under, get a bit more to raise it. While you're tightening it up. Keep it off the pedal, off the tyre. Okay, tighten it up. So we've got 4 holes and they have to go in there. The wires look like they go there. Okay, we'll get one. Got it. Right, now the basket, front basket. This is metal, and there's a wire. That's like an extension cable for the front light if you're using the basket. If you wasn't using the basket, you could attach it on there. So this, which way? This must be that way, I think, or is it? We'll have a look. This is the, whoops, the light. Disconnect. Pull it apart. Okay. In. Four bolts in there, but an extra one. Now this is bigger, and this is for the headlamp. I'll just check you can see me from, yeah. Right, let's have a look. There we go, hopefully. Just twist it a bit. Push it in firmly. Good push. Move that up there. And then we can tighten it. I'll put that down there, yeah. Need to hold that. Okay. So now we're going on to the, oh, got to connect this. This is for the light. Yep, line up the hole, a little hole. I know you can't see from there, but there's a little hole. Push it in firmly. Then tidy your wire. I'll probably put a cable around there to hold it in place. Pop that there. Oh, my watch is, oh, I've been up. Tell you, need 4 hands. Right, I've got that. They always disappear. Where's that washer? Oh, it's here. Put that through. put your washer on, put that there, get it. Pop that under there, keep it off the tyre, then you should be able to pull it out. Just ease that out and have a look. I think that's good. So I'll put the other one on now.